Welcome to Cyber Saturdays. This is Tracy Norwood bringing you innovative IT solutions to help you be cyber smart. These are simple actions that we can take to keep our internet lives safe and secure. Identity theft is a year-round concern, but it tends to ramp up during tax time. And that's why the United States Internal Revenue Service is warning taxpayers to be alert and stay vigilant. One way to do that is to file your return electronically with direct deposit instead of mailing a paper return. Filing electronically will help prevent delays and protect your return and refund from being lost or stolen in the mail. According to the IRS, filing electronically and choosing direct deposit is one of the safest and easiest ways to file an accurate tax return and the fastest way to get a refund. We'll talk more about this next week, and until then, stay safe from cybercrime during tax time by being cyber smart. Bye-bye.